Ever wondered how much you can actually borrow with beforepay? It's a question that's been on a lot of minds, especially with the rising popularity of these instant loan apps. Let's dive right in and uncover the truth. Understanding beforepay. Beforepay is a fintech solution that allows users to access a portion of their future earnings in advance. It's designed to bridge the gap between paydays, providing financial flexibility when you need it most. Now, the burning question: what's the maximum amount you can borrow with beforepay? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The limit varies from user to user and is influenced by several factors. These factors typically include your income. Higher income often correlates with higher borrowing limits. Your employment history. A stable job history can positively impact your limit. Your repayment history. A consistent record of timely repayments can boost your limit. The specific beforepay provider. Different providers may have varying maximum limits. Factors affecting your limit. Let's delve deeper into how these factors influence your borrowing limit. Income. As mentioned, your income is a key determinant. Beforepay platforms often assess your income to gauge your repayment capacity. Employment history. A stable job with a reliable income source reassures lenders about your ability to repay the loan. Repayment history. A history of on-time payments demonstrates your financial responsibility. This can lead to increased trust from lenders and potentially higher limits. Provider-specific limits. Each beforepay provider has its own set of rules and regulations. Some may have fixed maximum limits, while others may use dynamic calculations based on various factors. How to maximize your beforepay limit. While you can't control factors like your income and employment history, there are steps you can take to improve your chances of a higher limit. Timely repayments. Prioritize timely repayments to build a strong credit history. Responsible borrowing. Avoid excessive borrowing and stick to what you truly need. Consider a longer repayment term. If available, opting for a longer repayment term can reduce your monthly installments. Check your credit score. A good credit score can positively impact your borrowing limit. Tips for using beforepay responsibly. Use beforepay wisely. Only borrow what you need and can afford to repay. Budget carefully. Create a budget to track your income and expenses. Set up automatic repayments. Automate your repayments to avoid missing deadlines. Be mindful of fees. Understand the associated fees and charges. Avoid debt traps. Don't use beforepay to cover recurring expenses. While the specific limit on beforepay can vary, understanding the factors that influence it can help you make informed decisions. By using beforepay responsibly and adhering to best practices, you can maximize its benefits and minimize potential risks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.